The Kids Club on the MSC Seaside is an absolute delight for young cruisers, offering an array of engaging activities and dedicated spaces for children of all ages. From the lively Do-Re-Mi Club to the specially designed baby area, MSC Seaside truly understands the importance of catering to the unique needs of every child. One aspect that stood out to us was the baby area, a safe place where parents could spend quality time with their little ones aged 2 and under. This dedicated space allowed parents to interact, play, and bond with their babies in a safe and comfortable environment. The soft play equipment, toys, and interactive elements provide endless entertainment for the youngest cruisers, creating cherished moments for both parents and children. For older children up to age 12, the Do-Re-Mi Club was a treasure trove of excitement. The dedicated staff members were attentive, ensuring that every child felt welcomed and engaged. The club's diverse program offered a variety of age-appropriate activities, from arts and crafts to Legos to interactive games, creating a vibrant atmosphere filled with laughter and joy. My 4- and 6-year-old loved getting to watch movies in the Kids Club on the giant screen that they had, but 9-year-old loved getting to play with all the Legos they had, and my oldest really loved the games they played, especially the group jump rope game that she was able to win a few times. As their dad, my favorite was actually getting to dance with them at the Kids Club dance party. I even won the Kids Club MSC pencil for the dance contest that they had. However, I would like to offer a suggestion for improvement. While the Kids Club provided an excellent range of activities for children, it would be wonderful to see a designated karaoke opportunity for the kids, allowing them to showcase their talents and have a chance to shine. This could be a separate karaoke session within the kids program, offering young cruisers the chance to sing their hearts out and express themselves in a fun and supportive environment. MSC Seaside, your commitment to providing dedicated spaces for children of all ages is commendable. The Kids Club will undoubtedly continue to be a highlight for families cruising on board the MSC Seaside.